Hey, what is going on, guys? This is MyCpuTech. Hope you are doing well and have an amazing time. Guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install or how to get back the app called Windows Connect that allow us to mirrorcast our phone display to our desktop. So it is a really helpful software, but after Microsoft May 2020 update, they didn't include the software with the feature update, so we have to add manually. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add the software manually official way. So with that said, guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, now first go to settings here, or you can go from here. So go to settings. Okay, in settings guys, go to this tab called apps. Okay, now here you can see this option under apps and features. First option, optional features, select that. Okay, now guys, here you can see there's an option called add features, so we can add features. So go and click on that. Okay, in this pop-up menu, actually we can in the top search bar we can search for it, or you can scroll down. Here you can see the option wireless display, which is called Connect. So tick that checkbox and click install. Now you can see it's installing. Give it some time. Okay guys, now it finished installing, so close this thing. Okay guys, now again come to your start menu. Okay, here you can see the app Connect, so open it. Okay guys, here you can see now we have the Microsoft Connect back, so you can mirrorcast or mirror share your phone's display. So hope you enjoy this video. If this video is helpful guys, then please hit that like button, and if you like to see more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.